Alright, so how I actually entry over here is very simple. So first I'll be looking at daily time frame. So daily already show engulfing fill over here, breakout over here. Every breakout must have a pullback. That's why when price pullback, I will go to lower time frame to look for confirmation, isn't it? So now, by theory, I have to wait for H4 to form engulfing buy, isn't it? But if I want to entry earlier over here, what I will do is that I will precise my daily zone into H4 zone. So this is my engulfing fill zone. So next I will go to H1. Now, price forms engulfing buy at CMP. So you can entry directly over here, no problem. So this is my way of using 2 time frames only. Alright, but of course if you want to look for another confirmations at lower time frame, of course you can. So you will go to M15. So price pull back by sideways, and it forms engulfing buy, and at the same time it forms engulfing fail. So breakout, pull back, entry. Is that simple? But why price pull back? This is a very tricky part. Why? Okay, because first, by theory, price has to pull back by sideways. Okay, second thing, because higher time frame forms engulfing buy, isn't it engulfing buy? And that is why price pull back, boom, and fly. Very simple, isn't it? Right? So of course you want to wait for another confirmations. Of course you can. See, when price pull back by sideways, of course you can entry directly. But if you want to entry earlier, either you wait for confirmations in H1 or M15. Okay, if you wait your confirmations based on H1, right, you will miss your entry. Okay, engulfing fail, but price never pull back. Why price never pull back? Because here we have another engulfing fail. And see, why price never pull back again? Because you have to go to lower time frame. Right? What is this? Engulfing fail over here. Right? But price never did not manage to pull back. But it's okay. What I will do is that I will entry instantly. Alright? So usually you have to be flexible between time frames, using H1 or M30 or M15, no problem. Since the zone is small enough, so what I will do is that I will go to M15 because I want to entry earlier, isn't it? So when price pull back, see, along the way price forms engulfing sell, engulfing sell, engulfing fail. Of course you're not going for buy immediately. Of course you're gonna wait for engulfing buy or engulfing fail to happen, isn't it? So when price pull back, see, engulfing buy, and at the same time engulfing fail, engulfing fail, engulfing fail. So along the way you can re-entry, no problem. Engulfing buy, see, engulfing buy, right? So along the way you can re-entry, engulfing buy, no problem, right? There's always a chance for you to re-entry. So that's all. Alright, so I hope you guys can learn something. Okay, thank you.